show you 5 really easy and cute hairstyles that go with the yukata, a Japanese cotton kimono, or other looks too. I'll be using Japanese hair accessories, but instead you could use other things like ribbons or hair clips if you want to. So now let's start! Hairstyle 1. Sassy side braid. Brush your fringe away from the side on which you are going to braid. Take a hair section about 3 mm thick and 1 index finger wide. Put some hair wax on your fingers and start braiding. Braid about 3 times, then grab some hair of each side and repeat these steps until you have a French braid. If you have longer hair, only braid down to your ear. Then tie the tail and hide behind your ear. Flatten the hair on your other side and fix everything with hairspray. Add an accessory close to your side hair part. And you're done with hairstyle number 1, sassy side braid. Now let's move on to hairstyle number 2, retro chick fringe. Part about 2/3 of your fringe and flip to your preferred side. Now layer some non-fringe hair over your bangs like a spike. Take the hair spike and lift it up. With your fingers, help forming it to a swirl. Pin a bobby pin over the spike and the swirl. Fix with hairspray. Flatten the hair on both sides of your head with wax. Clip in a hair accessory and hide the bobby pin with it. Hairstyle number 3. This one's really easy. Part your bangs to preferred side with some hair from the top of your head. Then twist the tip, fix with a bobby pin and a hair accessory. Correct out of place hair and stabilize and flatten with hairspray. Hairstyle number 4, my favorite one. You'll need a hair curler and maybe a hair straightener. Now flip your fringe to preferred side and join with the other hair on the same side. Now it's curling time. Curl thumb-wide streaks of the flipped hair side. When finished, brush the curls a bit and shape them. For the final touch, get a hair straightener and bow your hair tips upwards. Put an accessory close to your side part, just like this, and you're ready! Hairstyle number 5. Part 2/3 of your fringe and do a French braid, just like the one in the first hairstyle. Do the same with the other side too. And you're already done. It's very easy for the amount of cuteness you will get with this hairstyle. I hope you like my 5-in-1 hairstyle video and maybe even try it out. I wish you guys a lot of fun and see you in my next video. Bye!